We are on a hotel tour right now, and we ran across our first two-way mirror. So I'm really freaked out, but I'm going to show you how to test a mirror, and then we're going to get out of here. So you hold your phone right up to the mirror. Hi, I'm Margaret.
I'm Corey.
And this is
A Pretty Cool Hotel Tour.
In sleep, he sang to me. In dreams, he came. Welcome to A Pretty Cool Hotel Tour. We are on our way to Lava Hot Springs, Idaho to stay at Lionsgate Manor Bed and Breakfast, which we hear has the most fantastic Phantom of the Opera room in the entire country, possibly the world. Actually, your gloves kind of go with the theme. Are you going to wear those in the room?
I will wear these gloves inside the room.
Anyway, see you there. Welcome to the Phantom's Lair. This is the man of the hour, the beautifully deformed musical genius. To his evil lair, descending into the catacombs, the Phantom's getaway, secret passageway, where we have our lovely tub. Should I show them the cool thing now or later?
It's like a big old bidet.
You wish! Luxurious romantic suite, complete with a chandelier. Iconic if you've seen the show. I love a candle and a rose and a costume. He is always watching. And of course, box number 5 reserved for the angel of music himself. Beautiful curtains and the organ. Andrew would be proud. Definitely gonna do that.
A quick refresher for those of you who also don't know the plot of Phantom of the Opera. You just don't like me because I'm ugly.
No, I don't like you because you're a scary, mean guy.
That's not true.
You literally stole me.
Can you feel like a little bad for me?
Okay, you're pretty freaking fugly.
Alright, I'll take it.
What is it coming out of?
The hole in the ceiling.
Cheers.
This room is quite the destination. I don't know of many phantom heads out there, but if there are, this is your place to go.
I'm sure there are phantom heads out there. We happened to stay here when we could actually get a tour of the other rooms. And we have some really charming rooms. They have some classics, the Romeo and Juliet, the Roman bath. Each room is themed, just not anything over the top, except this room, which they clearly went all out on.
What appealed to you about Phantom of the Opera when you were a kid?
This is a great question. When I was younger, I loved the fantasy stories of Phantom of the Opera, Dracula. As a young religious conservative, that was like a workaround to like having any feelings at all, because clearly I couldn't have feelings for like a real character or person.
I think people are looking for a theme to give them an excuse to have fun.
You can call monogamous, religious, conservative people boring, but they're the ones building literal phantom slayers in their basement. I used to love that the Phantom called himself the Angel in Hell.
He does.
In one of his songs.
I am the angel in hell.
No. For cleanliness, it's a 5 out of 5. Everything feels incredibly clean. I think if you run a bed and breakfast out of your own home, you're probably really likely to keep up with those details, and they clearly do. For design, it's complicated for me. This room is clearly a 5 out of 5,
Easy.
but the rest of the rooms just aren't quite as much, so I'd give them probably more of a 4 because there's such beautiful details, but they're just not this far. So I'm gonna split it. This room's a 5, the rest are a 4. For romance, I think a 4 out of 5 for me, just because I absolutely love the room. So much room to play and have a great sexy time, but you lose just a little bit of intimacy when you're interacting with people like at a bed and breakfast. I'm really specific with what I'm okay sharing and what I actually just don't want people involved in, and I really like privacy.
I don't know if you know this about us, but we're actually pretty private people. I like privacy a lot. I don't know if you guys get that from me.
At the end of the day, this is one of those rooms I'm never gonna forget, and I'm probably gonna tell everybody about. They couldn't have done any better. They just couldn't have.
It's a true hidden gem.
Whether or not you're that into Phantom, if you're into theme rooms, I feel like you can appreciate what this is.
And you probably will be by the time you're leaving.